legit. Anything you want.
Confirmed, Nasdaq's Bitcoin futures will launch in first half of 2019. The world's second largest stock exchange, Nasdaq, has confirmed it plans to launch Bitcoin futures in the first half of 2019, United Kingdom daily tabloid The Express reported Monday, December 3. As reported, two insider sources had already leaked the plans to Bloomberg in late November. Yesterday's confirmation from Joseph Christinet, vice president of Nasdaq's media team, clarified the launch remains subject to approval from the United States Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC), although reportedly there's been enough work put into this to make the question of regulatory approval academic. "We're doing this, and it's happening." Christinet told The Express that the stock market giant has been eyeing the crypto space for years and has been working on its Bitcoin BTC futures product for most of 2018. He added, "We've put a hell of a lot of money and energy into delivering the ability to do this, and we've been all over it for a long time, way before the market went into turmoil, and that will not affect the timing of this in any way. No. Period. We're doing this no matter what." Christinet's interview did not confirm whether Nasdaq's Bitcoin futures contract will be cash-backed, or physically settled, that is, with returns paid out in BTC rather than fiat currency. While cash-settled Bitcoin futures contracts came to market on BOENDME Group as early as December 2017, the first physically delivered Bitcoin futures are targeted for launch in January 2019 on AKKT, the digital assets platform rated Y, the operator of the New York Stock Exchange NYSE, Intercontinental Exchange ICE. In November 2017, Nasdaq had first indicated it would be launching BTC futures by mid-2018, but soon said it would be offering all out in order to create a unique enough offering. As reported, Nasdaq's planned futures contract will purportedly be the first of a set of transparent, regulated and surveilled digital assets products to be jointly launched as part of its recently announced partnership with U.S. investment firm VanEck. VanEck is also currently waiting final decision from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) on its joint proposal for a physically backed Bitcoin exchange-traded fund ETF together with blockchain software and financial services firm SolidX. Has Bitcoin bottomed out yet? As Bitcoin alongside the whole market keeps going down, there's a question in everybody's mind: are we at the bottom yet? This is not a pessimistic question at all. We all know that the market will recover sooner or later, but we also know that won't happen until it reaches rock bottom. So what answers do we have? Well, there are no sure answers, but technical analysis can bring some light into the question and, maybe, guide the way. Some 12 hours ago, Bitcoin was at around $4,100 and the chart allowed to apply a model called Up and Handle. Without going into technical and mathematical detail, this model is a prediction that says the price will go down as if rolling down inside a bowl, reach the bottom, and then go back out rising on the bowl's opposite side. One of the most popular projections using this model extends from today until next March. That would be the time at which the market will be steadily rising again. According to the Up and Handle, Bitcoin still has a long way to go down. Probably as low as 0.00. Before it will bounce back and rise again. At this point, it should skyrocket. The next pertinent question would be, how accurate is the Up and Handle model? Well, the thing about technical analysis is that it has nothing to do with certainties but with probabilities. Nothing is written in stone. The best you can say about it is that it's likely. Some analysts give this prediction a probability as high as 70%, but the truth of the matter is that we still lack enough relevant data to support it. And that's one of the reasons why buyers are staying away from Bitcoin and sellers dominate the market. There's just not enough data about the long term to make an educated choice. One thing that's been materializing over the last half a day is that Bitcoin has been going down very quickly. It's at $3,739 as we write this. Since it's broken so many psychological barriers this year, it's quite likely that it will keep going down and hit $3,000 sometime not too far in the future. It could even be this week, but there's no way to know. It keeps going down as we write this article, so the answer to the article's question is, quite clearly, that no, we have not gone all the way down yet. The good news is that the Bitcoin market shows signs of maturity, even as it plummets. The current BTC trading volume is of roughly 6.5 billion, and it remains the most traded asset with a market share of 54%. It's expected for this share to go up to 57% as it keeps losing value and traders try to get rid of their bitcoins. Just to finish, don't let your wishful thinking get the best of you. Bitcoin BTC could bounce back at any moment, but for the trend to be broken, a change in price is not enough. It has to be accompanied by a massive increase in trading volumes. Until both things happen at the same time, any rise in Bitcoin price will be fake, just a natural market fluctuation that will be meaningless regarding the bigger picture. So just be patient and disciplined. Keep watching the market. It will bottom out, and the right time to get in will come soon.